A plano concave lens is placed on a paper on which a flower is drawn. How far above its actual position will the flower be seen? If I say that this is a plano convex or this is a plano concave lens, okay, and the object is somewhere over here, okay, and when viewed from above, this object will look somewhat the object will look somewhat above its original position. So we have to find out the position. So over here the distance of the object over here is given as the distance of the object, that is the thickness of the lens, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Radius of the lens over here is 20, okay, and we have to find out the position of the image. If this is the principal axis and this is from this point we measure the distances, the object is situated on the left hand side. So the object distance u will be equal to negative 20, okay, and since the object is situated inside the glass plane over here, mu1 will be equal to 1.5, 3 by 2 or 1.5, and mu2, since it is originating from the object is in air and it is going in the since the object is in glass and it is going in the image formed is in the air, mu2 will be equal to 1. So we will use the general formula mu2 divided by v minus mu1 divided by u is equal to mu2 minus v1 divided by r. Mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. So mu2 is 1 by v minus mu1 over here is equal to 1.5. Object is situated on the left hand side of this point, so it will be equal to negative 20. It will be equal to mu2 minus mu1, that is equal to 1 minus 1.5 divided by r. The radius, the center of the radius will be somewhere over here, so the radius will be equal to 20, so it will be equal to positive 20. So basically 1 by v will be equal to minus this will be equal to plus. So first I will simplify this part. It will be equal to 1 divided by mu1, that is equal to 1.5 divided by 20 is equal to 0.5. This will be equal to 0.5 divided by 20, which is equal to over here 0.5 divided by 20, which is equal to 1 by 40, which is equal to negative 1 by 40. So basically it will be equal to 1 by v is equal to negative 1 by 40, negative 1.5 divided by 20. So 1 by v will be equal to, it will be equal to, I will multiply this by 2, minus 1 minus 3 will be equal to minus 4 by 40, that is v over here will be equal to negative 40. So v over here, v will be over here will be equal to negative 10, okay, 40 by 4, which is equal to negative 10. So over here if it is negative 10, it will be situated somewhere over here, the image will be they will appear somewhere over here. So the actual distance of the image when viewed from above will be equal to negative 10, that is the image is shifted by 10 centimeter, which is option number A.